Hello, Rhino again here with Primo Motor Cars. Today I'm going to show you a little special vehicle. This is a 2013 Ford Edge with only 37,000 miles on it. That's right, I said only 37,000 miles. A 2013 Ford Edge, two-wheel drive edition, sport, dual exhaust, rear backup system, alloy wheels, tinted windows, turn signals on your mirrors. Nice looking car. 37,871.8 miles. Like I said, super low. Kind of rare. Don't find them this low miles. But it has your power seats, all leather interior, rear vents with an armrest and cup holders. And look at the size of that trunk. You can put a lot of people in here. '22. And check out this cool little feature. Isn't that neat? So if you'd like to know more about this car, please give us a call, 808-334-1111, and ask for Rhino. Thank you very much.